Hello! Get your 3D glasses on because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the tutorial of this makeup. So as we're in my photography filters, I know yesterday's look really wasn't a photography filter, but here we are. And this is the look that I have for you guys today. It is a 3D makeup. This was a challenge, let me tell you. And these were not helpful. I was heavily inspired by Luna Fortune on Instagram. I will post her picture right here. And I wanted to just recreate it for myself. Had to wait for my 3D glasses to come in from Amazon. Not sure if any of you would wear this as a Halloween costume, but honestly, I think it looks pretty cool. And if you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram at BEAUTYBYJULIA or hashtag BEAUTYBYJULIA so that I can see it and post you guys. I love when you guys recreate my work. It warms my heart. And without further ado, we're just gonna hop right into this video. It's a quick one, so pay attention. Let's do it.
Alright guys, so we're starting off with my face already kind of prepped for this tutorial. I have foundation, powder, concealer, all that fun stuff on. I'm using the two shades, literally only these two shades from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Essentially, this is a lot easier than it looks. So first we're going to start off with red. I kind of just filled in my brows with red first and then use that mascara to hold them in place just for now, but when I went back later, you'll see what I did to them. So I'm starting off with red. You can start off with blue if you want to, but I started off with red, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to literally outline like all the parts of my face and my neck. If you want to do your ears, whatever you want to do, I outlined everything. And I added like lines to my nose, my forehead, my cheeks, where like highlighter and bronzer, I have air quotes on right now, like where bronzer and like highlighter would be. And I'm doing that with shadow, and then you can see me just blending out that shadow. So this is gonna be the first shade of red we're using, and this is the second shade. This is the Suva Beauty Hydra Paints, and this is a matte red. I'm going to use a smaller brush, and I'm gonna be more precise with this one. This one and the next liner, we're not gonna be blending them out. We're only blending the shadow out, so it gives that kind of like blurred effect. And I'm just going to be literally lining everywhere where I lined originally with red. I'm then gonna go into this darker Liquid Lash liner from MAC, and I'm going to do the same thing, but the darkest liner is going to be the smallest line, the medium shade is going to be medium sized, and then the shadow is going to be the one that's kind of like blended out. So I'm gonna do that first, and then we're gonna move on to the blue. So for the blue, you guys, I just went kind of like, I don't know, I really just decided to go either under or to the left of my lines, but I didn't want to make it too complicated. So all I did was I did the exact same 3 steps that we did with red, except I moved the blue kind of over a little bit to give it that 3D effect. So same thing with the red, except I'm moving just all of the shapes that I made over a little bit. I'm using a Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in blue for this one, and then I'm using a Dior liquid liner for the darker blue, which you'll see me use in just a second. So I've got this all sped up for you guys. That's the gist of it, just 3 shades, and we're just kind of going over them 3 times. So once I'm done with all of the 3D, guys, I'm just gonna add a little eyeliner to my waterline. This is Graph Black from MAC, and then added some mascara from L'Oreal, and then I'm going to add some liquid liner just to help kind of hide the lashes that we're gonna put on. And that's really it for this look. Not too many products, but I did list every product I use, including foundation and concealer, powder, all that good stuff, down in the description below. And this is the final look.
Alright guys, that's it for this 3D makeup look. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So sorry if it hurt your eyes while watching this video. And thank you so much for tuning in to day number 3 of my 31 days of Halloween. As always, make sure to subscribe to me and check out all my other Halloween videos. I would appreciate it to the moon and back, but there is so much, so much for you guys to get inspired by. So make sure to check out my Halloween playlist so that you can figure out what you want to be this year. Love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!